Hi there, students. A hireling. Hireling, accountable noun. Okay, a hireling. We use this in two slightly different ways. Most commonly, somebody who's employed to do menial work, menial tasks. So, I hear McDonald's are looking for more hirelings. Yeah, or the boss is always getting one of his hirelings to do his dirty work, to do the things that he doesn't want to do. And then we can use hireling the other way, which is less common, is somebody who is just doing a job for the money. Yeah, they don't feel any interest in the job. The only thing they want is the cold hard cash. Yeah, doing something for purely mercenary motives. Yeah, they are effectively for hire to the highest bidder. Okay, so a hireling, either the I'm sick of the boss treating us like hirelings. Yeah, you're treating somebody as low and menial and of absolutely no status. Yeah, um, or somebody who has been persuaded to do an unpleasant or an unpopular job for the money. Yeah, so I don't want to talk to one of the hirelings. I want to talk to the boss. Yeah, and maybe the board of directors of a company. These are just the hirelings of the shareholders, unless the members of the board actually own the company. Okay, so um, the, this word hireling, either somebody who's an inferior, a menial, boring worker, one of the underlings, or somebody who just does something for cash, for mercenary motives. Yeah, he's just one of the hirelings. Okay, I guess this phrase, a hireling, what would I say in formality? I guess I'm going to give it a 4.5 in formality. Use informally, semi-formal conversational writing, very formal, probably not. And then as to origin, from to hire, and this ling or this ing at the end is to me a diminutive. But this whole phrase, hireling, yeah, comes from Dutch, huurling, yeah, effectively a hireling, somebody for hire. So, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Hireling.